What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Now, as you can see, I'm filling up 2 basins that we've got in the bathroom. It's a double basin. Okay, the problem we've got here is that there's a blockage somewhere inside. Now, I haven't closed these up. I'll take these off so it is completely open. However, there's a blockage. Now, this is a dual basin. Okay, if you want to unblock it, first thing you want to do is to simply fill up the basin with water. The reason why you do that is we're going to use the water to use as a driving force. Okay, once we use the plunger will push the water and the water will push whatever's blocking in the way. Now, if you were to leave this with a bit of water, whatever was sitting in the trap, you won't have as much pressure. So simply keeping it full like this, give it a pump like that, you'll see it come out the other side. Okay, couple quick pumps like this, and then let it go. Now you can see that blockage is completely done and dusted, guys. That is how you get rid of a blockage, whether it's in your kitchen sink or it's in your bathroom basin like it is here in the vanity. Okay, no matter what it is, that is how you get rid of a blockage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything else that you guys would like to see in or around your house, don't forget to put it in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.